Xandar, the illusion of safety. Xandar looks like a place you could survive. Clean cities, blue skies, advanced technology. The Nova Corps patrolling the streets like a galactic police force. If you had to pick one Marvel planet to land on blind, this would feel like the smart choice. That's the trap. Xandar isn't peaceful, it's strategic. It sits at the crossroads of intergalactic power routes, which means conflict is never far away. Invasions, coups, and galaxy-scale threats pass through Xandar like weather systems. If you arrive during an annihilation wave, you won't even understand what's happening. Entire cities collapse in minutes. Civilizations vanish before evacuation protocols can finish loading. Even in quiet eras, Skrull infiltrations, warlords, and cosmic weapons make daily life unstable. Xandar doesn't kill you because it's hostile. It kills you because it's important. Hala order as a weapon. Hala looks even better on paper. The homeworld of the Kree Empire is hyper-advanced, militarized, and obsessively organized. Clean architecture, powerful technology, a society that runs on strict rules. Those rules are lethal. Centuries of industrialization and warfare have saturated the atmosphere with toxins. Every breath pushes chemicals into your bloodstream. Nausea, dizziness, organ failure. The air itself is slowly executing you. And if the environment doesn't finish the job, the law will. The accuser corps doesn't investigate. It judges. One accusation is enough. Their weapons manipulate gravity, matter, and energy. There's no appeal, no trial, no survival plan. On Hala, order isn't protection. It's enforcement. Sakaar. Random death, no meaning attached. If Hala kills you through control, Sakaar kills you through chaos. Sakaar isn't a planet designed for life. It's a dumping ground for the universe sitting inside a storm of unstable wormholes that randomly open and collapse. Debris rains from the sky constantly. Spaceships, engine cores, metal fragments, molten scrap. There is no pattern. You don't die heroically here. You die randomly. 1 second you're standing still. The next, a ship fragment turns you into paste. No warning system, no safe zone. Sakaar doesn't care who you are. If falling debris doesn't kill you, the air will. Radiation, industrial toxins, chemical smog. Breathing feels like inhaling poison mixed with burning metal. Cells begin breaking down almost immediately. Then come the spikes. Parasitic organisms that enter through wounds or inhalation. They don't attack right away. They grow, inside you, slowly. By the time you realize something is wrong, you're already being eaten alive. And if you survive all that, Sakaar's society finishes the job. Slavery is normal. Gladiator combat is entertainment. You're thrown into an arena against creatures and warriors far stronger than you. Best case scenario, quick death. Worst case, you die slowly while a crowd cheers. Nowhere. Death by one bad step. Nowhere isn't openly hostile. It's worse. Nowhere is a city built inside the severed head of a dead celestial. The atmosphere is unstable. Gravity fluctuates without warning. One corridor feels normal, the next sends you drifting toward vacuum. The entire place is held together by patchwork technology and bad decisions. Black market experiments, alien toxins, criminal syndicates, structural failures. Nowhere doesn't kill you immediately. It waits for you to make one mistake. And then, physics does the rest. Vormir, where survival becomes a moral failure. Vormir doesn't look dangerous at first. It's quiet, empty, almost peaceful. That illusion ends fast. Most of the planet is ocean. Unless you can breathe underwater, you're already drowning. Solid land doesn't help steep cliffs, jagged rock formations, unstable ledges. Gravity is stronger than Earth's. Falls hit harder, bones shatter faster. But terrain isn't Vormir's real threat. Nothing on Vormir is free. People don't come here by accident. They come for the Soul Stone. And the price is absolute. You must sacrifice someone you truly love. Not someone you respect. Not someone you tolerate. Someone whose loss will break you. No loopholes. No negotiation. No exceptions. If you arrive alone, you leave empty-handed. If you arrive with someone you love, one of you doesn't leave at all. Vormir doesn't always kill you directly. Sometimes, it makes you do it yourself. Nidavellir. Death by physics. Nidavellir is where gods forge weapons. Humans don't belong here. The planet exists around a dying neutron star. Temperatures are so extreme that metal flows like liquid. Skin blisters within minutes. Lungs burn. Breathing feels like inhaling fire mixed with radiation. And then there's gravity. As the neutron star collapses, gravitational forces spike to levels your body cannot comprehend. You wouldn't just be crushed, you'd be flattened. Instantly. Add collapsing forge machinery, molten metal rivers, and unstable Uru being hammered into enchanted weapons, and Nidavellir becomes a cosmic furnace. You are not a visitor. You are fuel. Titan. Death after the end. Titan was once beautiful. Advanced technology. Thriving cities. A civilization that believed it had a future. Then a celestial seed matured. When it emerged, it tore Titan apart from the inside. The explosion alone would vaporize you. But even if you somehow survive that moment, the atmosphere collapses, the sun is blocked, temperatures plummet, radiation storms sweep the surface, breathing becomes impossible. Abandoned war machines still roam the ruins, attacking anything that moves. Titan doesn't kill you because it's violent. It kills you because it's already dead. Asgard. Prophecy doesn't care about you. Asgard looks like paradise. Golden towers. Immortal warriors. A realm built by gods. But Asgard lives under a countdown. Sentinels patrol the land. Ancient creatures poison the environment just by existing. And above everything hangs Ragnarok. When Ragnarok comes, there is no survival story, no evacuation, no hero moment. Just fire, collapse, total destruction. If you're on Asgard when it happens, you don't escape. You end with the world. Ego. Erasure. Ego isn't a planet. It's a being. Every molecule exists to serve ego's consciousness. If you step onto its surface, you're already inside its body. And if ego decides you're unnecessary, the ground turns against you. The air dissolves you. Your matter is absorbed and repurposed. You don't fight ego. You disappear into it. No death scene. No remains. Just removal. Marvel's planets aren't just dangerous. They're hostile by design. Each one represents a different way the universe can end you, randomly, politically, morally, physically, or existentially. Heroes survive these worlds because they're exceptional. You wouldn't. So, if intergalactic travel ever becomes an option, remember this. Some planets aren't meant to be explored. They're meant to be survived.